Unlock the power of advanced AI for your coding projects without spending a dime, right inside your favorite editor. First, let's dive into Visual Studio Code. We'll head over to the Extensions view. Usually found on the left-hand sidebar, click on the square icon that looks like a stack of blocks. In the search bar at the top, type in either Saline or Rto Code. Whichever you prefer or is recommended for your setup, press Enter, and let Visual Studio Code find the relevant extension for you. Once you've found the extension, you'll see its details page. Look for the prominent Install button, give that a click, and Visual Studio Code will handle the download and installation process for you. After the installation is complete, you'll often see a notification or a new icon appear, signaling that the extension is ready to go. This means your integration with Deepseek R1 is now active. Now for the exciting part, using Deepseek R1. Simply start typing your code. As usual, you might begin a function, a comment explaining your intent, or even a partial line of code. Observe as the extension intelligently suggests code completions, generates snippets, or even answers your questions within the editor. This seamless interaction allows you to experiment with Deepseek R1's capabilities directly, accelerating your development workflow without ever leaving Visual Studio Code.